Karma is a bitch. Or is it? Or is it just me who's making a massive fuss about it? Let's find out in the very first episode of a brand new channel, The Muchar Talks. This is Sunil Makhija, your host and your lovely host, welcoming you to today's subject of discussion, where we talk about the very pretty, the very desirable, the very eluding karma. So without further ado, let's delve right into the subject and find out together whether she is or she isn't a bitch. कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, बुरा जो देखन मैं चला, बुरा न मिलिया को, जो मन खोजा आपना, मुझसे बुरा न कोई. Namaste and welcome back to the very first episode of the Muchar Talks. एक दोहा कहा था मैंने अभी. Most of you must know it. But for those who don't, in this, Sant Kabir Das ji is saying that he went far and wide in search of the most evilest of the men. But he couldn't find any. So he went back. He introspected and he looked deep within. And that's when he found that there is no one more evil than him. These two lines may just seem like any two lines. But the depth of wisdom that they have is as deep as the Mariana Trench, I would say. We're so quick to judge others. वो कैसे दिखते हैं, वो कैसे खाते हैं, वो कहाँ क्या पहनते हैं, the skin color. We never show that mirror to ourselves. This world, if you see, is like a mirror, my friend. It just reflects what you show. So if we kill that evil inside us, there's nothing but godliness left. And then godliness is what you will receive. Chewing gum चिपका है कभी पाँव में. You remember you're trying to get it off. उसको stomp करते हो, you're sliding it off. But it doesn't come out. And now there are strings of chewing gum everywhere. People are looking at you and you're doing this to get it out. It's an embarrassing situation. क्या चलता है दिमाग में? इसकी माँ का, उसकी बहन का, उसके अंकल, ताऊ, चाचा, चाची, सबको गाली देते हैं. So the next time, when you're about to spit that chewing gum on the street, just remember the barrage of abuses you just hailed. Will you ever do it? So this happened to me 12, 15 years back. I was a huge fan of branded sunglasses and branded perfumes. I used to save up and I used to buy. तो एक दिन मैं ऐसे ही supermarket गया where I decided to go to the washroom, and when I entered I saw this beautiful wallet lying up there. So I picked it up. I opened it. Damn, it was loaded. So I picked up a bunch of money, kept it in my pocket, left like 2 grand over there, and I gave it to the supermarket authorities. बोला दे देना. In my own head, I was thinking I was doing this guy a favor, because when I lost my wallet, nobody gave it back to me. I was like, पैसे रख लेते यार, उसमें credit cards है, driver's license, फलाना ढिमका. So in my own demented and twisted way, I thought कि I'm doing this guy a help and I should expect something. So with that stolen money, I purchased this beautiful Ray-Ban, carbon fiber frame, black lenses. I used to wear it everywhere. ज़बरदस्त था एकदम. तो मैं कुछ टाइम बाद एक मॉल गया where I wanted to buy a shirt. So I went into the trial room. I left my glasses there and I forgot about them. 10 minutes later when I returned, वो वहाँ नहीं थे. A month later, I was driving. Another beautiful pair of my Ray-Bans lying on the dashboard. And I take this sharp right turn at a high speed. खिड़की खुली थी and swoosh go my glasses. And पीछे वाली गाड़ी ने चढ़ा दिया. A couple of months later, my nephew, मेरी छोटी cousin, she came over. And she twisted one of the most beautiful pair I had. It had like 3 interchangeable lenses, a beautiful, elegant piece, and she just twisted it out of existence. This glass number 3. इन सब ग्लासेस के गम को भुलाने के लिए मैं गया गोवा. वहाँ मैंने चलाई कायाक, और कायाक चलाते चलाते एक लहर आई. The kayak flipped. I came back up. but the glasses, the cool blue Ray-Bans that I was wearing, never came back up. So you see, I may have stolen money for just a pair of glasses, but I ended up losing 4. So to answer today's question, no, Karma is not a bitch. If she is something, she is this beautiful, this sexy, strict teacher who teaches all these amazing life stories, and she teaches them by example. And the best part is that example is best suited for you. You see, even before the law of the land kicks in, the law of the universe is always in motion. And that, babe, is karma. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I request you to please like, share and subscribe. मोटिवेशन मिलेगा और वीडियोस बनाएंगे, आपको हंसाएंगे, आपकी मुस्कुराहट का कारण बनेंगे, अच्छा लगेगा. Also, please do write to me. I told you in my first video that I want to hear your stories. तो आप मुझे अपनी कहानियाँ भेजें. You can find my email ID in the description below. So please write to me your stories so I can tell your stories. तो मिलते हैं अपने अगले वीडियो में. Please, once again, do like, share and subscribe. This is your Mucha signing off for today. Have a great day.